welcome to Maths Live. I've got a lot of shout outs already. That is amazing. I've got Sam and Elliot and Harry and Ariana and Hallie Beth. I'm trying to remember all of you that are shout, so I'll go back. Keenan, I know you're taking part in Norwich. I'll do some more shout outs in a second. So can you find the mode and the median from this set of data? So we're revising Monday and Tuesday, so you've been given the set of numbers. Can you find the mode and the median? Have a go and I'll do some more shout outs. So we've got Catherine in Northampton, Jensen, Jessica, got Jamie, Shreya in Coventry, Lachlan, hi Maddie, hi Imogen in Deadmead, hi Harnek, welcome back Harnek, hi James in Mansfield, hi Ethan in Buckshaw, we've got some answers coming in, hi Aidan in St Albans, hi Ellie in Barwell, hi Evan in Hertford, hi Olivia in Malden, hi Seb, hi Amber and Anita in Northampton, hi Anisha in St Albans, hi Name, oh that's a lovely name, in Holbeach. Oh, got lots of answers now. I'll give you a few more seconds. Hi Lois from Aylesbury. Hi Emily in Buckshaw. There's so many. So I'll try and keep on top. If I haven't shouted you out, just remind me. If I have already shouted you out, I can't shout out again. I'm really sorry. There's so many of you today. Brilliant. So, mode. Mode is the one that occurs the most. We can do the mode without changing anything. So we've got 7 once, 4, we've got 4 twice, 8, oh 8 3 times, that's winning so far, 9 twice but still 8, 6 twice, 2 once, 5, 4, so the mode is 8. Okay, where's my board rubber? There it is. Right, median. Remember to find the median, we have to put all the numbers in order, smallest to biggest, and then find out which one is in the middle. So, it's 1, I'm going to cross them out as I do it so I know I'm doing it in order. 2, have we got any 3s? No. 4, so we've got 2 4s. 4, 4. We've got 5 there. We've got 6 and 6 there. 6, 6. We've got 7, and we've got 3 8s, 8, 8, 8, and we've got 2 9s. I'm still going to check. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 13, it's an odd number, so there must be just one number that makes up the median. So 13, that must mean there's 6 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So is this the number? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So the median is 6. Well done if you got that. So today we're going to do the meanest of the 3, I think, because we're doing mean. And why I call it the meanest of all of them is because it needs the most calculating. The mode, you just have to spot it. You spot which is the one that occurs the most. The median, you just take those numbers, put in the order, and then you again use a spot which one's in the middle. Whereas the mean, you need to do a bit of calculating. So I'll show you an example. So if we've got the numbers 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 8, okay? A group of numbers. The mode, is 5. I'm not going to write it down. The mode is 5. We can see the mode. Right, what is the median? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 8. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the median is 4. So how do I find the mean? Now the mean is probably the most accurate of all the averages. To find the mean, you have to count how many numbers there are. And again, just like median, mean involves numbers. Remember when we did mode on Monday, and you can find the mode of different colours and different shapes and cars and chocolates and sweets, all sorts of things. Whereas again, just like median, mode has to be a set, mean has to be a set of numbers. So let's have a look. How many numbers are there in total? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 numbers. I'm just going to write the number 7 there. To find the mean, you find how many numbers there are, and then you add up all the numbers. So you add up all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers. Add all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. That's sort of, how quickly can you say that? Add all the numbers and divide by the numbers of numbers. Add all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. It's a proper tongue twister. So we've got to divide it by 7 because there's 7 numbers. Right, let's add up how many there are here. So we've got 8 and 2, which is 10. 5 and 5, which is 10, so that's 20. We've got 27, 28. So to find the mean, we need to do 28 divided by 7. So let's have a look. Let's just do a quick bus stop. So 1, 7, 7, 2, 7, 14, 3, 7, 21, 4, 7 is 28. So the answer is 4. And you know that's right because remember, I think the mode was 4, wasn't it? So it is around the middle. So I'll try another one. I'm just going to put loads of different numbers. So 17, 14, 8, 6, 1, 2, 6, 4. Okay. So I'm going to just do the mean this time. I'm sure some of you can spot the mode. You might have a go. If you want to spot the mode and do the median, you can do. I'm just going to go carry straight on with the mean. So mean is add all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 this time. 8 numbers. And then we divide by the number of numbers. So let's have a look. We've got, why did I not make it so, why did I make it hard? So 6 and 4 is 10, and then 18, 20, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 52, 58. In my head, just about 58. So what is 58 divided by 8? Now this time, I'm going to leave the numbers here. Because looking at it, if you see that 1 is the biggest number and 17 is the smallest number, you want the answer to be around the middle of there. If you get the answer like 19, that can't be right because 19 is not an average of those numbers. It's not in the middle. We've seen that the median is a number in the middle. We've seen the mode is normally an average number. We're looking for a number, say about 7, something like 7 or 8. I'm guessing because that's a number that's in between 1 and 17 roughly. So 1, 8, 8, 2, 8, 63, 8, 24, 4, 8, 32, 5, 8, 40, 6, 8, 40, 7, 8 are 56. So it's 56, remainder 2. Let's if I went into a decimal. If I did remainder 2, 1, 8 is 8, 2, 8, 16. So that would be 2. So about 7, can you see 7.2 is the mean there. So the mean is, you don't have to do it to a decimal place, you could have just said 7-ish, but I'm going to try and be accurate. So 7.2. 7.2 is around the middle of all of those numbers. So my first question on the 3 challenge questions was, what is the mean and how do you find it? If you don't know what I mean by the 3 challenge questions, they're posted at 10 o'clock each morning before this lesson. So it's what is the mean of statistics and how do you find it? So you add up all the numbers that you're given and then you divide it by however many numbers there are. Question 2 was, the beanbag throw is a game which involves children throwing 5 beanbags into some hoops to score points. We've all done this at what's it called, sports day. We've all done this at sports day. So we've got one in the middle, and then another one around the outside, and then another one around the outside of that. So this hoop means 80. So if you get the beanbag in there, you score 80. If you get it in there, you score 40. And if you get it in there, you score 20. And this is how the beanbags were thrown. So a beanbag landed here, and then a beanbag landed here, a beanbag landed there, a beanbag landed there, and a beanbag landed there. I'm sure some beanbags didn't go in, but that doesn't matter. So it's a game which involves children throwing 5 beanbags into some hoops to score points. This is what the hoops look like after Nisha had her turn. So this is Nisha's turn. And we're looking for the mean average score that Nisha scored. So what is the mean of her scores? So remember, mean. How much did she score in total? And then divide it by the number of numbers. So how many numbers are there? And what is the total of her numbers? Give that a go and we'll go through it in a minute. I'm just going to see how you're getting on with what I was looking at. Oh, well done everybody. Hi William, thank you for joining in. Hi Aidelin. Oh, well done everybody. Hi Winnie, thanks for joining in. Hi Billy in Hull. Brilliant. Hi Breege. Hi Tallulah in Northampton. Thank you for joining in. We've all got some answers. Hi, I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Aoife in Colchester. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Imogen in Sunderland, hello. Now we've got a lot of different answers coming in. Hi Evan. Some people have got 40 as their answer. Some people have got 200. Now be careful, is 200 going to be the average score for this? So think, what might have you missed? So to find the mean, you have to add up all the numbers and then divide it by the number of numbers. So how many have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beanbags. So we must be dividing it by 5. And now we've got to work out what the total is. So we've got one lot of 80. We've got 2 lots of 40, which is 80 again. And then we've got 2 lots of 20, which is 40. So obviously that's 0, 1 8 is 8, 2 8 is 16. So this is where some of you have got the answer 200, because this is the total amount that she scored, but we want the average amount. So we need to do 200 divided by 5. Now if we did 20 divided by 5, that would be 6. So the answer is 60. 60. So well done if you got 60. And again, remember 60 is in the middle. 20, 80, sort of an average score. So that would work. So just remembering, you've done all that. That's the most common thing I see with the mean. You do all that hard work, adding up all the numbers, and then you think you've got your answer, and you think, oh, I forgot to divide. I forgot to divide by the number of numbers. All that hard work. Right, question 3 was, find the mean weight of the sharks below. I'm not going to draw the sharks, because I'll be here till Friday, okay? But these were the mean weights for the sharks. We had 3 kilograms, 6 kilograms, 9 kilograms. If you've already done this, I would check your answer. 22 kilograms, there's going to be a lot of adding for this. 28 kilograms, 1 kilogram, 6 kilograms, and 5 kilograms. Okay, so what is the mean weight of all the sharks? Give that a go. I've made a mistake, haven't I? What did I do? So 200 divided by 5. I did make a mistake, it is 40. Sorry everybody, I do that, don't I, with my miscalculator. I got a bit excited. So it was 200 divided by 5, 5 4s are 20. So sorry, the last question, it was 40, not 60. You should be doing this, not me. You are the teachers. If you're new, I make these mistakes all the time, so... See, it's a good job you guys are here. I did it on purpose, really. I'm just keeping you on your toes. Yeah? I did it on purpose, really. Testing you all, yeah. I love some of you agree. Oh god, wow, I've got some answers. Wow, you guys are quick. I'll give you a little bit extra time for this one, because I know there's a lot of adding to do. Let's give you 20 more seconds. I think, to be honest, you've all actually done brilliantly. So, if you've already done it, give you another quick challenge while I'm going to go through it. See if you can find the mode and the median. See if you can work out the mode and the median. So, to find the mean, we add all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers, and Steph's going to get this right this time. So, first of all, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And you're fine, I already did this one. If you add it all together, all these numbers, you should have got 80. And then using my 8 times table, I believe that 80 divided by 8 is 40. Yeah? No, it's 10. So the mean is 10. Okay, so well done for doing that. It's because you just obviously take care. That's why I say the mean is the meanest, because you have to rely on that calculating. And that's where you can easily trip up, as you saw with me. So, I gave you a challenge. What is the mode? Well, the mode, there's only one weight that occurs twice, so the mode is 6 kilograms. And the median, so let's put them in order. So there's 8. So let's see if we can work this out. So it's 1, and then 3, and then 5, and then 6, 6, and then 9, and then 22, and then 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, because it's an even number, there must be 2 numbers in the middle to make the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Ah! Now, the median is 6. And some of you will say, well, yesterday, Steph, you said if there's 2 numbers in the middle, you add them together and divide by 2. So let's do it. 6 plus 6 is 12. Divided by 2 is 6. So when the numbers in the middle are the same, it means that that's it. So look at that. Mode is 6. The median is 6. And the mean is 10. So you think, oh, right, which one's better? Yeah, none of them are necessarily better. Okay, they're all pretty close. So you've got your data averages. Right, I'm going to give you 2 more challenges to end this lesson. And in these 2 challenges, we'll do them one at a time. I would like to find the mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode. So we've got 2, 8, 4, 1, 2, 3, 9, 2, 7, 1, 4, 5. Mean, median, and mode, please. Well done. I love it when you're all like, yes, I got it right. Well done. Brilliant, well done. Hi Amelia in York. Oh, got lots of answers coming in, well done. Oh, I love that you're helping each other out. Someone said, how do you find the mode? And someone replied. Okay, give you a few more seconds. Right, so mean, median, mode. So as someone asked, someone said, how do you find the mode? The mode is the figure number that occurs the most, whichever one appears the most. So in here we've got 2. 2 is 3 times 8 once, 4 is twice, 1 is twice, 9 is 1, so it's 2 because 2 occurs 3 times. the medians, let's put them in order. So we've got 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Got 3 once, 4 twice, 5 once. We've got any 6s now, we've got 7, 8. How many 8s we got? 1 and 9 once. Just fits on. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to remember that when I'm doing the mean. So 12, that means there must be 6 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, we've got 3 and 4 in the middle. So that means we need to add 3 and 4, which is 7, and then divide that by, 3 plus 4 is 7, divide by 2, which is 3.5. So the median is 3.5. So if you get 2 numbers, add them together, and then divide that by 2, split it in half. And the mean, let's add all these numbers up now. So we have got, show my pen. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Oh, that was nice. 1 12, 12, 2 12, 24, 3 12 and 36, 4 12 and 48. There we go. So the mode is 2, median is 3.5, and the mean is 4. That, I just made those numbers up. I'm really surprised that they actually went to a nice sum. Right, let's try one more. I'm not going to make the numbers too big. It's not about how big the numbers are. You can obviously challenge yourself with bigger numbers, but it's about understanding the actual steps of doing it. So I'm not going to make the numbers too big. So I'm going to do 9, 11, 3, 8, 1, 4, 5, 3, 6, 9, 3, 5. Okay? Mean, median and mode, please. But I've just realised I've done 12 again, so I'm going to add another number on. Lots and lots of numbers. Well done. Okay, good. And don't worry, if you're not sure, just shout out and ask. That's a lot of numbers. Sophie, thank you for joining in. Some of you asked what I was doing before when I was doing the mean, why I was crossing out the numbers. I was just doing mental maths, counting in my head, but I was using number bonds. So rather than just doing 9 and 11, I was spotting that I could do like 8 and 2 is 10 and 9 and 1 is 10. And I was just using my number bonds to add up mentally, really, really quick. So I'm just going to make a little quick start, doing it slowly, because I know some of you are still working on it, so don't panic, don't shout at me, saying, oh, she's starting, I'm not ready. I'm just getting prepared, so I'm checking there's 13 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I will be dividing my mean by 13 when I get onto it. Mode. Which number occurs the most? Right, there's 2 9s, 1 11, 3 3s, 1 8. There are 1 1, 1 4, 2 5s, 1 6. So it's 3. So the mode is 3. That's the one that occurs the most. The median, right, so I have to put them into order now. So we've got 1. We've not got any 2s. We've got 3 3s. So 1, 2, 3. Got 1 4. We've got 2 5s. Just taking my time with this. No rushing. 5. Got a 6. Got 7. Got 8. Got 2 9s. I've got an 11 now. Should have 13 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right. It's 13 is an odd number, so there must be an even amount each side. So there must be 6 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my median is 5. My median is 5. Right, find the mean. Add up all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. I know there's 13 numbers, but how much have I got? So we've got 9 and 11, which is 20. And then 9, so that's 30. 30, I'm trying to find, so 40. 40, got 50. 50, 58, 59, 60, 61, 61, 66, 66, 71, 72, 73, 74. Let's see, I think we got that right. Have I got, is it 74? Right, and then we have to do 74 divided by 13. I have to see what you lot are saying. Oh, right, so we have just having a look at what you've put. It is thank you, it is 74, right, so 74 divided by 13. Oh, right. I'm going to do my long division here, so I'm going to do how many lots of 13? So I can get 26 in there. So that is 6, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 48. So on 48, I'm going to take away another lot of 26. But I want to know I'm doing long division here. I've got another lesson on it, so if you want to catch up. So I've got 2 and 2, so I've got 22 left. So I'll take another lot of 13. That's 1, so 12, 11, 10, 9. So I've got 9 left. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, you can have either 5 remainder 9, or you can go into the decimal. So I don't really mind which one it is. It's nearly 6. Okay, let me see what some of your answers. Yes, that's it. Just having a look. 5, it is 5.6. So if you put the remainder as 9, it does go into 5.6. So well done. That was a tricky one for the last one, wasn't it? Alright, super, well done today. That was really, really good. I'm going to put the challenge question up as soon as this is finished, so have a go at that. You've been brilliant, you guys, with sending in your challenge questions. It's been amazing, you've done so well. Even if you haven't quite got it right, just, yeah, send them a message and you've done brilliantly, especially when a lot of them are higher SATs questions or even going into GCSE. It's really, really good. Tomorrow, we're going to introduce the range, so mean, medium, mode and range, and we're going to try all 4 of them tomorrow. So come back tomorrow and we'll have a go. See you later. Bye bye.